Cheltenham High School has just started a new program called the Foundations of Engineering. We'll interview Mr. Lennon and Jarrett Ross to see how the program's going so far. How is the course developed?
The new Foundations of Engineering class was developed over the past year and a half through cooperation with the school district and our director of STEM, Mr. Brian Riley. Basically what has happened is we started this year with 4 sections of the class, and our first unit we're using the Sphero robots to have the students build some obstacles, and then we're going to test them to see how far they can get through the course that was designed by the students. So each group was able to create a obstacle out of plywood that they designed and then built for the course. Once that was done, they used the Sphero EDU app to create our block programming to allow the robot to navigate through the course.
How does the Sphero EDU app work?
Basically, the students need to tell it what they want it to do in terms of basic commands such as run. But within that command, then they have to get very specific in terms of what direction they want the robot to move, what speed they want it to move, and what distance they want it to move. So that's where it starts to get a little technical to get it to do what you really want it to do.
How have the students responded to the program?
So far, so good. I think they really enjoy what we're doing. We're just wrapping up this first unit, and we're moving into our structural engineering component where the students are going to actually design a framing for a residential house. So that's kind of where we're headed.
What does the Foundations of Engineering class consist of?
I would say it's like a mix of electronics and wood shop. So you build things and you program things.
What are you currently working on?
We're working on a project where everybody splits into teams and you make your own obstacle and you have to program the robot to go through the obstacle course.
Would you recommend the class and why?
I would recommend the class because it's pretty good for people who want to go in the engineering field, and it shows you a lot about engineering.
Students seem to be enjoying the new Foundations of Engineering course at Cheltenham High School. We'll see you again with CSD TV. This has been Marina and Maya for Eye of the Panther.